Hello, good morning. I'm discussing about classification based on nature of the metal carbon bond. The organometallic compounds are classified into following types based on the nature of the metal, that is polarity of metal carbon bond. First of all, ionic organometallic compounds. The organometallic compounds of highly electropositive metals, except lithium and beryllium, are called ionic organometallic compounds. Okay, these compounds are ionic insoluble in hydrocarbon solvent and are very reactive towards air and water. These are the ionic organometallic compounds. Sigma bonded organometallic compounds. The organometallic compounds in which the organic groups in is bonded to a metal atom by a normal two-electron covalent bond are called sigma bonded organometallic compounds. Such compounds are formed by less electropositive metals. Okay. Non-classical bonded organometallic compounds. There are many organometallic compounds in which metals to carbon bonding cannot be explained on the basis of ionic or normal covalent bonds. Example, okay, non-classical bonded organometallic compounds. There are many organometallic compounds in which metals to carbon bonding cannot be explained on the basis of ionic or normal covalent bonds. For example, one class comprises the alkyl of beryllium aluminum, which are electron deficient that involves multi-center bonding with alkyl groups. Another class comprises the compounds of transit metals with alkene, alkyne, benzene, and other ring systems. Organometallic compounds having the bridging alkyl or aryl groups, formation of these types of compounds cannot be explained on the basis of the conventional two-electron two-center bonds with carbon and metal atom. Compounds of lithium, beryllium, magnesium, and aluminum with bridging alkyl groups appear in this category of compounds. For example, dimeric trialkyl aluminum, polymeric dimethyl beryllium, and diethyl magnesium. This is the structure of dimeric aluminum. Transit metals complex with unsaturated organic compounds. These organometallic compounds include transition metals bonded to unsaturated organic compounds in which transit metal forms bonds to more than one carbon atoms of the same organic compounds. In the interaction of occurs between the pi orbitals of the organic lesions with suitable d or p orbitals of the metal atom. The common examples of ligands form such type of complex: alkene, 2 electron donors; butadiene, 4 electron donors; cyclopentadiene, 5 electron donors, benzene 6 electron donors. Short examples: alkene, butadiene, cyclopentane, benzene. It is all about classification based on nature of the metal carbon bond. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your patience. That's now. Bye bye. See you.